Hello, beautiful.
Hi, baby.
You look amazing. Listen, if I did not know you and I saw you out looking like that, I would get to know you and we would be together.
What line would you run on me?
Yeah, we're gonna leave that right there.
Okay, yeah, let's get to work. Today we're meeting Mark and Mahia.
Oh, I like that name.
They're looking for a lifestyle change. So they're coming from the Bay Area to Atlanta, along with their kids in tow. They run a nonprofit where they are. So they work from home and they work together. And they really stuck like glue to Smyrna.
Okay.
It's actually ideal for someone relocating to Georgia because you get a little bit of everything. 20 minutes to the airport, 20 minutes to Midtown. You've got parks, you got the Silver Comet Trail, all the conveniences of urban living while being in suburbia.
Okay.
One thing that I noticed about Georgia is that folks turn and wave at you, you know? We run a nonprofit organization. We support youth in helping them to navigate their academic journey from elementary school through high school and into college.
What's bringing us to Georgia is for sure the opportunity to become a homeowner.
In the Bay Area, you can get a nice 2-bedroom, 1-bath shack for about $750,000.
Facts.
So we're looking into Georgia specifically because we can get 5 times that amount for the same price, if not less.
So what's their budget?
$700 is the budget.
700, all in.
That includes anything they may need to put towards a renovation if necessary. I mean, at this juncture, with what I've been seeing, it's probably gonna be necessary.
What do you think are some of the top things that you want to keep in mind?
So having space for family is really important. I would love for us to have a space to get into our own things and not be on top of each other.
Definitely looking for a nice backyard, an office space, which I would like to have, AKA war room, just an area where I can, just really take all my thoughts and put them on the walls.
They would prefer a basement, which is the uh-oh moment.
Brick. I don't even know how to take care of brick.
That's them.
Hi. You made it.
Hello, we
How
made
are
it.
you? Well, what do you think of the outside?
That's nice.
It's just amazing.
And we're all boiling. So let's go inside. Come on.
You're reading my mind.
All right, come on in.
Nice.
It is so huge.
I love the light. The windows
The natural light,
are
right?
amazing.
Yeah.
This house is just over 5,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms. The owner suite is on the first floor, along with the sitting room, dining room, great room, and kitchen. And then the remaining 4 bedrooms are all upstairs. The big potential bonus is this basement. All right, great room. Is it great?
It is amazing. This is called an amazing room.
Okay, we'll change the name on the listing.
The windows, I can see the clouds and the trees. I love the trees.
And to the right, we have the kitchen.
Well, I do love how much counter space there is, so that's for sure something that I enjoy.
But before we get into what we would do to update the house, I really want you to take in all of its offerings because based upon your renovation budget, is just break it down into pieces.
Please make your way to my office, Chateau Les Deck.
Oh, the chateau. Wow. It's a lot of trees.
Just we're in a forest.
Backyard.
Yes.
Mark, what do you think?
I'm looking for the backyard. So it's nice for somebody. I just don't know if I'm in love with this aspect.
But it looks like there's a creek down there. Does that come with snakes or what comes in
And
that creek?
mosquitoes.
Comes with nature.
Georgia comes with a lot of snakes.
Georgia.
So,
So you're gonna have 4 bedrooms upstairs.
Wow.
This could be a sitting area for another ensuite. Look at this floor. As didn't you tell me you salsa dance?
I did.
Can we salsa on this floor?
Absolutely. Ba, 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 ba.
see, look.
Let's all go the same way. Step, step, step.
I'm all messed.
Step, step, step. Yep. I love to dance. I'm my teacher self, in the classroom, my mom, wife self here, but on the dance floor, I don't know what that name is, so I love...
Fierce.
Okay.
Mark, you throwing me off, man. What you doing over there?
That's all I do. That's it. And she gets to move it. And if I just do this enough, I'll catch up. Oh, this is big.
You don't know which way to walk, do you?
No. This is
Quite large.
huge.
This is
Wow.
potential. That's what this is.
It's the length of the entire floor upstairs.
Uh-huh.
This would give you just over another 2,000 square feet, potentially making the house over 7,000 square feet.
Wow.
What else do you need in the basement?
Definitely looking for a war room.
Like a think tank.
A think tank, I'm writing on the walls.
So we need a war room, we need an ensuite.
I think space for family to play and to,
Like a game room.
yeah.
What I'd like to do is really take this wall and back it up. So he has more room for his war room, game room, ensuite, and a common area. Then we can open up the back wall with a double slider glass door, which will allow for more sunlight into the space. And then they still have storage. Make sense?
More room for the war room.
I think the best bang for your buck would be spent down here.
All right.
How much would it be
And-
to do everything we discussed, though?
You're looking at 80K.
So they're asking 615, 615, 80K, we still come in under 700, which gives you a $5,000 cushion for contingencies. So we offered asking price, and now I'm waiting to hear the seller's response. Kendall, Mike. Hello. That's fantastic. Thank you. I can't wait to tell my clients they're gonna be ecstatic. Offer accepted, which is why I always say, even if it doesn't fit everything, just show them. Because this wound up being the house. They set them over the top. Hi, Mahaya, it's Egypt.
Hey, Egypt.
I may have some good news for you.
Okay.
You got the house,
Oh my gosh. Yes.
so we're officially under contract. They accepted your offer, 615K. Things are really moving along at Mark and Mahaya's house. I'm feeling good. So while crew is taking care of construction, I'm meeting with Mahaya and Mark to talk about their new house design. Guys, I'm so glad you were able to come. Can you believe that we're even at this point?
I do not.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Very excited.
So I'm gonna just show you some of the ideas I have. I never get offended. Lies and fairy tales, but no. I wanna make sure that when you walk in this house, when we're done, you're in love. Help me help you by just being honest, okay?
All right.
So, you told me you liked blues and oranges. So this is the color I was thinking for your basement. This is called Storm Cloud. I've used it before, and it actually looks a lot richer on the wall. And I think in a space like your basement, it's really going to come through. And you make
That
a
sounds great.
decision.
Oh, yeah.
Does that feel good? Now, we're also going to do the wet bar downstairs. We could still use shaker style.
Okay.
Do you like shaker style or flat panel? Because I can change.
I love shaker.
Do you like satin brass, or do you guys lean more towards chrome, black? I have a little bit of everything here.
So beautiful.
These are the ones that jump out to me.
Yeah, this is champagne gold.
I like it.
Do you like knobs or pulls?
They're also pretty. I like this.
So you like knobs wherever we put drawers, and you like the pulls wherever they're cabinets. Now, we can mix. I love to mix. Okay, now for the wet bar countertop. I did like this one because I felt like it brought drama into the space.
I like the ones that have the larger veins.
So you do like this, or do you just want to?
I like that.
Okay, good. Easy. So to recap, for the focal wall in your basement, we're going to differentiate that from the Storm Cloud with iron ore and really make it pop. Across the room from that, we're gonna create your wet bar with the shaker style cabinets, complete with the champagne gold hardware, Mahaya, you love, and then beautiful countertops. All right, any more questions, thoughts, changes?
Anything?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
You sure?
No, that's cool.
Don't text me at 11:30 at night.
We might still do that.
We're 2 weeks out from Mark and Mahaya moving into their new home. Sliding glass doors will open up onto their deck. You've got the 2 windows. Adding that double wide slider brings all that natural light in. And I had an inspiration that I wanted to share with Mike.
Hey, my love. What's going on? How are you?
I am doing great. Babe, I really have another idea I think is so good, and I hope we have the time to do it because it's just gonna step the space up a bit more.
Another? Meaning you're changing your ideas now?
No, in this game room area only. Do you have time to do a custom loft bed that will also serve as a gaming station?
Okay.
And I was thinking we could put the old school machines over here. Maybe they could put gaming tables in the middle, but then we make this the video game technology corner. So up on the bed, we could put the USB ports and then utilize this wall to put a screen for gaming.
You want to know what I see?
What?
More work.
That's what we do, babe. We do work. That's what.
I know, but this was never part of the plan. Now you coming with this idea?
You don't want to do it?
I'm not saying that.
So this is your TV wall, and you're putting your furniture here, right?
Let's do this too. Sofa, little ottoman, a little console table, TV.
So now you want me to build this up. You want me to reroute the electrical.
If you can fit it in, I'd like that, but no stress. So I think I'm kind
If
of
I can fit it in, you know, that just means, can you please do it?
just do this in the framing, and if it's left, I'll come in here and I'll finish this part. When do I not do my part?
What's today's date?
Oh, is that where you want to go with it? All right. I have a lunch break to go meet my boyfriend.
All right. We don't have enough time.
We do have enough time. How about this? You build, I paint. Is that fair?
No, but I'll hold you to
I
it.
prime and paint. Done.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, girls, come on in. The Gaskins move in tomorrow, and we have all hands on deck to make it happen. We're putting finishing touches on the new cabinets. Mark's arcade games are being set up. The fireplace will soon start roaring. It looks beautiful. And we got these amazing wall lights in, so I'm gonna use them to make a special surprise for them. Do you know how I always like to inject something personal for the family? And I want them to feel like home. They're from the Bay Area.
Right.
So I came up with the idea to call that game room den area the Bay,
I like that.
so that they still feel like a little slice of home here in Atlanta. Is that good? Look at it. See?
Goodness, oh my goodness! We're about to see the basement.
You ready?
Yeah, come on.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello, hello, hello.
there.
All right, all right.
Did y'all dress alike on purpose?
They always call each other.
Almost 20. What's up, man?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm awesome.
Are y'all ready to
excited.
kick us out of your new house or what?
Oh, I do feel like a little kid right now. I do. I can't wait.
Well,
Yes.
we are excited to show you your new terrace level, so come on.
Come on in.
Come on. All right. It's happening.
This is amazing.
Okay, guys, get a look at your new basement.
What is happening?
Whoa!
What? Oh my gosh.
Wow!
I don't know where
Oh
to
my
start.
gosh.
Oh, look at.
Y'all did it!
Oh my goodness.
Y'all did it.
Oh my gosh. This is
Well
amazing.
done!
All right.
Wow. Look at this window.
This wasn't here before, remember?
No, it
It was a
wasn't.
wall, and the one thing we were missing was what?
light.
Natural light.
Yeah.
Natural light, which makes the space always feel larger. And so we put the double widespread slider in there.
Beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Look at that.
Let's check out the entertainment area.
Wow.
Oh
look
my
at all
goodness.
this.
Oh!
Fireplace. Screen.
The
What is
screen!
that?
The screen! My screen!
Well,
your
there's a
screen.
story behind it.
So my wife took over my theater. Well, what is to soon be my theater. And this screen was actually supposed to go in there, okay? But I don't know when I'm gonna build it yet. So I said, you know what? Why not just donate it to you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, right here. The Bay! Represent!
Bay Area. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
man.
It's the actual the Bay.
The Bay!
Look at that's amazing.
The Bay!
Wow.
Oh! Oh,
The arcade.
Yeah, has all the classics on it.
Look!
Mike actually built this loft bed.
This is a loft bed. It's a bed.
It's an actual bed. It's
Wow.
a twin bed. So we figure if your kids are anything like ours,
Yes.
it's gonna be hard to get them off of their devices,
Yes.
technology. At least when they're in here, they have some place they can hang out,
That's so
plug in up there.
How did they get up there?
And
Now
then
you
look,
know that is not for the kids. That's gonna be Mark all day.
I'm saying, how did they get up there? It's like,
Look
how
at
do I
it,
get
man.
up there? How
Look
much
at it. That's for you.
weight can
and
it
you
can?
can play your video games right here.
Wow.
And see, our goal was to make it for the entire family, not just kids.
Yeah. it
Right?
feels
So
that
if you're
way, too.
entertaining,
Yeah.
the older folks feel like, oh, I can have fun in here as well.
Absolutely. This is beautiful.